Let's get to some more breaking news tonight. A hot air balloon scare in Sacramento County today. A pilot is okay after their hot air balloon unexpectedly drifted over Elk Grove from Sky River Casino, crossing the highway, and then before coming down in an open field near Waterman Road. That's where we find Brady Haubleib live with more on how all of this unfolded. Brady?
Yeah, Ashley, that balloon came down just about 300 yards from where I'm standing right now, and this could have been a much worse situation given that balloon went over the highway and also somehow managed to avoid hitting some of the power lines that are just behind me. And we did talk to a landscaping crew that's on Waterman Road, and they actually captured some pretty great video of that balloon coming down. Take a look. Now, this is the moment that the balloon came down. You can see the pilot trying to maneuver it safely, and just above that basket, you can see what appears to be ripped fabric. Elk Grove police say that this all happened around 12:15 during an unplanned launch from Sky River Casino. And they say that strong winds pushed that balloon out of control, hitting the side of the casino and a power line before drifting and coming down into a field just south of Grant Line Road. Kevin Mallett was at Elk Grove Park when he saw that balloon flying overhead with a helicopter and police cars chasing it.
So we were watching it live as he was struggling, and it was like almost like when a balloon goes up, you know, from a kid's party or something, and seeing how it deteriorates. This was just a giant sized balloon.
Sky River Casino sent a statement saying due to unexpected winds, the pilot chose to launch into a free flight in accordance with safety protocols. Now, it's still unclear what exactly led up to that launch, but the FAA and the NTSB are now investigating, Ashley.